A lightweight flashlight with neutral color output, the Acebeam E70 Mini is ready for everyday carry. If you work with photography or electrical wiring, you're bound to appreciate the accurate color temperature on this lightweight powerhouse. Let's check it out. The E70 Mini is powered by an included 18650 battery with a 3100 mAh capacity to best support bright output. When recharging with the USB-C port located on the battery, powering up is a breeze to get right back into the great outdoors. The E70 Mini is lightweight. It has a length of 4.4 inches with a 1-inch diameter, a compact EDC option. It also features a rugged pocket clip for simple carry on any belt or backpack. For reference, here it is right next to its full-sized counterpart. The Acebeam E70 Mini flashlight is conveniently placed to view the light inside its packaging. Upon opening the box, the light pops out with its included battery inside. We have the Acebeam E70 Mini flashlight, its rechargeable battery, as well as the handy user manual and warranty card. Beneath the cards, you find 2 spare O-rings and the USB-C charging cable. Also, this EDC comes with a lanyard for simple, hands-free carry. This light is certified with an IP68 waterproof rating, making it submergible for up to 2 meters underwater. It has a 1 meter drop resistance and an aluminum body for protection against dents and scrapes. And if you're looking for a little more durability, there's also a titanium version of this EDC light available. The intuitive tail cap switch supports a total of 7 brightness modes. When the light is off, press and hold it for a half second to activate ultra low mode. Double click the switch to turn the light on. When activated, press and hold to cycle from low to medium 1, medium 2, and high modes. When the light is on, double click again to access turbo mode. Regardless of if the light is on or off, you can access strobe mode via triple click. The light is packed with 3 Nichia 519A LEDs that offer a 90+ CRI rating that puts your vision first. The high CRI rating, a customized TIR lens, offers natural balanced light for less eye strain during use and accurate color rendering. On ultra low mode, shine just 20 lumens for a maximum 56 hours, low light that lasts a long while. On low mode, have 60 lumens at your disposal for a total of 19 hours. Medium 1 mode shines 170 lumens for 7 hours, reliable output that lasts for a long period, ideal for late night walks. With Medium 2, you have 380 lumens that output for 195 minutes. That's over 3 hours of illumination fit for surveying your surroundings. High mode outputs a total of 900 lumens before dropping down to 600 after 2 minutes of use. And turbo mode shines for a total of 2000 lumens before dropping down to 600 after around 45 seconds due to intelligent temperature control. Regardless, that 600 lumen output shines for 2 hours in total, a reliable EDC output that supports you in home improvement, backyard use, or hiking around the trail at night. The max 150 meter throw provides an essential line of sight and is crucial for EDC activities. I was able to cast light pretty far at this abandoned complex and even reached a water tower in the distance. Finally, strobe mode shines 1000 lumens for 2 hours, striking illumination that can help in self-defense or signal help to your location. If you're interested in this EDC light or any flashlight at all, check BatteryJunction.com for the best deals on flashlights, batteries, and gear. To get the latest flashlight news, be sure to subscribe to our email newsletter. Consider leaving a like on this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe so you don't miss a new one. Have any questions about this light? Comment down below and we'll answer. You can follow our social media at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for sneak peeks at brand new lights. All the links are in the description down below.